A very good morning to all the children. Welcome to the language development class. Okay, that means English class. And can you tell me which date is today? Yes, I can hear some children are telling today is 17th of November. Okay, 17.11.20. Okay, and the subject we are going to study is language development. Okay, English. Right? Alright. Children, today I am going to teach you two new small letters, that is O and P. Okay? And you all know the sound of O. Come on, tell me. O says O. O says O. And P says Pa. P says Pa. Okay? So first I'll make you revise the pictures. O, octopus. Say again. O, octopus. O, orange. O, orange. Right? Pa, pen. Say everybody, say with ma'am and say loudly. I can still see some children are not speaking. Say loudly. Pa, pen. Pa, parrot. Peacock. Right? Now ma'am will teach you how to write O and how to write P. Small O and P. Okay? Capital letters. So you all know. Right? So O is very easy, children. Mama will give you box. Then she will give you a dot. Okay? And then simply you will make a circle here. This is small O. What is this? Small O. It's easy now? Wait a minute. Once again I tell you. And try to do it carefully. Okay? See. Dot. Okay? And from the dot, a small circle. And you have to touch the baseline. Because children, if you will write like this, now this is wrong. This is wrong. This is right. You need to touch the baseline. Okay? Then P. P. So mama will give you dot like this. Again it is easy, standing line, and in the center you will make like this. Okay, this is small p. Once again I will tell you, mama will give you a box, a dot here, standing line, and you will touch the standing line to the baseline, and then in the center you will make like this. Okay, a semicircle. So this is small p. Okay, so it's very easy now to write small o and small p, right? And now you all know the sound also. Okay, so now children, let's move on to the exercises. Now this is the exercises wherein you have to write down the first letter. And remember, first letter should be small. First letter should be small letter. Okay, come on. Now this time you will tell me the letter. Ma'am won't tell you. Tell me. Come on, come on. I can still see some children are not speaking. Very good. Some of them, some of you have given the answer. Hat. Hat. Small h, right? Then book. Book. Small b I have written. Then fire. Fire. Then grapes. Grapes. Right? Then ladder. Ladder. So ladder. Okay? Then mango. You all know how to write now small letters now. Then what is this? Which picture is this, children? Nest. 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 Then what is this? Just now I have told you. This is an octopus. This is an octopus. Octopus. Then I have told you just now. Pen. Pen. So you all know how to write these small letters, children? Now let's move on to the next exercise. Now children, in the next exercise, you have to draw the pictures of these letters. Okay? So I am sure you all must be expert by now in drawing these pictures. So what we are going to draw with B? Tell me. Right. Ball. And you all know how to draw a ball. Okay. Then what you are going to draw just now? I taught you ladder. Ladder. Okay. So you will draw a ladder here. Right? Then you can draw fire also. You can draw fish also. And just now ma'am has drawn fire. Okay. Then grapes. Grapes. Then nest. Nest is also very easy. You draw like this and then make a bird. Bird lives in nest now. Yes. Then apple. Apple. And next is cup. Okay. So one more time, let's revise today's letters. What is this? O, small o. O. Okay. O says octopus. Orange. Then P says pen. Parrot. Peacock. So children, one thing you have to remember, that you have to revise all these things. You have to write and do your work neatly. And you have to color all the pictures. Whatever pictures you will draw or whatever pictures are there which is already drawn, you will color all the pictures. Okay? And do your work nicely. Bye-bye.